Welcome to Squiz Kids Science Shorts, the show where we take your big curly questions and unpack the science stories everyone's talking about. Break them down into snack-sized, science-powered answers. We sort the fact from the fluff, keep it fun, keep it fast, and whether it's happening in your body, your backyard, or the big wide universe, we're here to explain the science behind the headlines. If someone replaced every plank in a wooden ship one by one until none of the original wood remained, would it still be the same ship? And that brings us to today's question. Are you the same person you were 5 years or even 5 minutes ago? Because scientifically, you are under constant renovation. You're less like a statue carved in stone and more like a building with an excellent maintenance crew. Your skin replaces itself every few weeks, your gut lining refreshes every few days, and your blood cells last for a few months. Your bones are being constantly remodeled. Even your hair and nails are steadily growing out and being replaced. But not every cell changes. Many of the neurons in your brain stick around for most of your life. So you're not completely swapped out, but you're definitely not identical to past yous either. But here's the twist. Inside you live trillions of microbes, tiny organisms that help you digest food, make vitamins, train your immune system, and even produce chemicals that affect how your body functions. Scientists call this the microbiome. You are, biologically speaking, a walking ecosystem with one name. So, what actually makes you you? Well, babies aren't born thinking, yes, I am Gerald. Around 15 to 18 months old, toddlers start recognising themselves in mirrors. That's when a sense of me begins to form as the brain develops. As you experience more, your identity grows. Your brain is also constantly rewiring itself. That's called neuroplasticity. The connections between neurons strengthen, weaken, and change depending on what you learn and you experience. 5 minutes ago, well, almost everything about you is the same. But 5 years ago, different cells, different microbes, different memories, different neural wiring. And you're still you if you lose a fingernail. Why? Well, because we tend to think me lives in our brain, our memories, our personality, and our relationships, not just in detachable parts. Your memories form a chain, your relationships form a network. So maybe identity isn't about having the exact same pieces. Maybe it's about the pattern continuing. That ship keeps sailing. So if your cells are changing, your brain's rewiring, your microbes are shifting, and your memories are growing, where exactly does you live? And if you'll be slightly different again tomorrow, what do you think makes you, you? Had fun? Follow the show, drop us a 5-star review and tell us what you want to know next. Leave your questions in the comments or email me at squizkids@thesquiz.com.au and you might just hear your answer right here on next week's Squiz Kids Science Shorts.